Hey guys, this is a cooking video for part 5. So this is the pepper, and this is the cat that's not supposed to be here. Shoo. So we put salt on it, and I rubbed in the oils on it, and there's the stuffing. Why is that hole there though? So there.
Alright, I'm gonna put it in the oven now, William.
What?
Do not touch this. It is
What?
hot as the oven.
Okay, so this is the turkey. We're about to insert it into the oven.
And let's see what happens.
Well, we already know it's gonna happen because we've done this before.
4.5 hours? Since that, yeah.
I don't know.
I think it's going to be closer to 5.
Alright.
So this actually a new update. This is the last cooking video. Wait, can we do? Are we gonna cook anything else now?
Put it in uncovered.
Besides-
Is there a time when you're going to cover the bird?
Is there any other things we're gonna cook besides the turkey?
We always
We're
put it
cooking
inside
a
of a
lot
paper
of
bag.
things.
So never mind. That's just the last you're gonna see of the turkey. So this is cooking video part 5, turkey edition. Bye.